Satriya dance is originated from which state? Answer C. Assam. Who put up the Pacific resistance against the British in India? Answer A. The Marathas. What is the name of the elephant which serves as the mount of Lord Indra? Answer A. Iravata. Which among the following temples of India is known as Black Pagoda? Answer D. Sun Temple, Konark. Apart from India, in which of the following two countries Tamil is an official language? Answer C. Sri Lanka and Singapore. Which of the following folk dance forms is associated with Gujarat? Answer A. Garba. Rabindranath Tagore's Jan Gan Man has been adopted as India's national anthem. How many stanzas of the sad song were adopted? Answer A. Only the first stanza. Which one of the following manuscript is included in the UNESCO's Memory of World Register? Answer C. Rig Veda. According to the cultural history of India, Panchayatan is answer D. Temple construction style. During which period bronze icons of Nataraj deity who has four hands was casted? Answer B. Chola period. The word Satyame Jade inscribed below the base plate of the emblem of India are taken from? Answer B. Mundak Upanishad. The famous Ganga Sagar Mela, an annual fair, is held in which state of India? Answer A. West Bengal. Who among the following was responsible for the revenue reforms during the rule of Akbar? Answer B. Todarmul. Which Indian state celebrates Bihu as a folk dance? Answer D. Assam. Which one is the not a harvest festival in India? Answer A. Holi. Which is the name of the era on which of the national calendar of India is based? Answer B. Saka era. Consider the following statements regarding to the Satriya dance and select the correct code giving below. Answer B. Both first and second. Who had composed Brahma Vidini, the hymns of Vedas? Answer D. Ghosha. Historic Chandragiri fort is located in which of the following state? Answer B. Andhra Pradesh. Who among the following was known as Bengal's Greta Garbo? Answer D. Suchitra Sen. Lori is celebrated in the month of? Answer C. January. Behrana is a wedding ceremony of? Answer B. Sindhis. In Jainism, who is known to be the first Tirthankar? Answer C. Rishabdev. Golden Threshold is a collection of poems written by? Answer D. Sarojini Naidu. Anuvrata concept was given by? Answer B. Jainism. Which of the following academies is responsible for fostering the development of dance, drama and music in India? Answer B. Sangeet Academy. The Kala Ghoda Arts Festival is associated with which one of the following cities? Answer D. Mumbai. Tansen, a great musician of his time, was in the court of Answer D. Akbar. Kathakali dance is a combination of how many elements of fine art? Answer C. 5. The Mughal painting reached its zenith during the reign of Answer B. Jahangir, who introduced Sanskrit as an official language. Answer A. Guptas. Buddhist site Tabo Monastery is located in which of the following state of India? Answer D. Himachal Pradesh. The ratio of width of four national flag to its length is answer B 2:3. Mohiniyattam dance from developed originally in which state? Answer A Kerala. Sabarimala is located in which of the following state? Answer C Kerala. The paintings in the Ajanta and Ellora caves are indicative of the development of art under the answer B. Chalukyas. How many classical Kathakali stories are included in traditional Kathakali dance? Answer B. 101. Rice cultivation is associated with which one of the following Harappan sites? Answer A. Lothal. What do you understand by Kalaripetu? Answer C. An ancient martial art. Natya Shastra, the main source of India's classical dance, was written by answer A. Bharat Muni. The book of Parsis is answer D. Zend Avesta. The famous Nabakale Bara festival belongs to which of the following state? Answer B. Odisha. Which of the following place is famous for chicken curry work, which is the traditional art of embroidery? Answer B. Lucknow. How many asanas are in Surya Namaskar process? Answer C. 12. Manganiars is a well-known community famous for answer B. Northwest India musical tradition. The Rath Yatra at Puri is celebrated in honor of which Hindu deity? Answer D. Jagannath. In which of the following festivals are boat race a special feature? Answer C. Onam. The name of the last Delhi Sultan is answer D. Ibrahim Lodi. Dandiya is a popular dance of answer B. Gujarat. Raman is a religious festival and ritual theatre of answer A. Uttarakhand.